In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome history permanently. Whether you're tidying up your browser or aiming to protect your privacy, clearing your browsing history is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the settings in Google Chrome. You can do this by opening your Chrome browser and looking for the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your window. Clicking on these dots will present a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to adjust and personalize your Chrome browsing experience. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. From this panel, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. This section is central to managing your privacy settings in Chrome and includes a variety of options to secure your data and ensure a safe browsing session. From here, we're interested in the option marked Clear Browsing Data, which is straightforwardly named and easy to spot. The next step involves deciding how extensive you want your history deletion to be. Since we're aiming to delete your history permanently, we'll choose the option to delete data from all time. This ensures that nothing from your previous browsing sessions is left behind, so choose this option from the drop-down menu. It's key here to be certain that all time is selected. Otherwise, Chrome will only remove recent data, defeating the purpose of a comprehensive cleanup. Now, you will notice various checkboxes that indicate different types of browsing data. It's important to check all the boxes here. This means you'll be deleting your browsing history, download history, cookies, cached images and files, and any other saved site data. By selecting all these options, you guarantee that your data is completely wiped, leaving no digital footprint behind. This is crucial for maintaining privacy and freeing up space on your device that's taken up by unnecessary files. Finally, we're ready to complete the process by clicking on Clear Data. This action will systematically delete all the selected data from your Chrome browser across all your devices where you're signed in. Chrome will take a moment to process your request, and just like that, your browsing history is permanently deleted. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Google Chrome history. This will help keep your browser running smoothly and ensure that your private information remains secure. Should you have any questions or experience a hiccup along the way, feel free to revisit this guide for a refresher. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy browsing.